got love to believe in, no doubt we live for a reason. Stay close to the ones you call your own. They're the ones that help you grow. Oh my God, what I'm needing is music, my friends, and some healing. Though it's easy to find what you're seeking, it could be gone before you're done blinking. So tell me what you're thinking. I think that we should put tomorrow on hold and just live in the moment. Loving out in the open, stop with the hating, it ain't that important. Maybe we should just be living life slow, cause it goes by so fast. And it might get so bad, but that don't mean that it's hopeless. And I'm so blessed, so blessed. I couldn't take advantage if I tried. So blessed, so blessed. And I'm so blessed, so